Yum! Let's make burrito dogs. Start with adding shredded cheddar cheese and pre-cooked hot dogs to a 12-inch flour tortilla. Now I spooned a mixture of yellow mustard, some sweet pickle relish, diced red onion, and I spooned that all over the hot dog. And now it's time to wrap it up egg roll fashion. Next, you're going to want to brush your burrito dogs with some oil. I used olive oil. You can also use avocado oil just to get them nice and golden brown. Don't forget to do all sides. And then sprinkle each one with a little bit of poppy seeds. Oh, how good is this? Pop them back in the oven until they're lightly golden brown. Thanks for watching. It's time to eat. Get the full recipe at kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.